So you can make all kinds of charts with the Excel files, and you can generate different types of charts using Python. So for example, we can make a 3D pie chart, import OpenPyXL, and import the class PyChart3D as well as reference. Now we need reference because we'll use data from the Excel file to chart. So create the plot. So we define some data. We need a pie chart. So for example, we can set amount of type of fruit and the amount sold with some different slices we can show. Of course, you can put anything in your pie chart, and we want to save it, our workbook. So we need to create a workbook, which we then save. We need to get the active sheet so that we know where to add the data. And then we need to append the data. So you want to append this data to your Excel sheet. So we can run this program. And it will create the file py.py3d.xlsx. So we can open that file. And you'll see we have the data, the same data that we defined here in our charts. So you can add the data like this. We just enlarge it a bit. So the same data is written to the file, and we can use this data